Welcome to the third installment of Alex Tech Tips. In this session, you'll learn how to create a personalized content collection. Creating a content collection lets you easily curate and organize Alex learning resources to enhance your teaching experience. First, type alabamalearningexchange.org into your address bar. Then, click the purple Let's Get Started button to enter the Alex LOR. Click the blue Sign In button in the top right corner and sign into your Alex account. If you have not yet created an account, select the Sign In with Google button to sign in using your Google credentials, or click Create an Account and enter your name and email address. Then click the Create New Account button. You will receive an email with a link to activate your new account. Please review the Alex Terms and Conditions and Privacy Policy. After reviewing the Alex Terms and Conditions and Privacy Policy, click Agree and Change Password button. Once you've logged in, you'll have access to the My Content Collections tab, which is represented by a stack of folders. On the My Content Collections tab, click on Create a New Content Collection. First, enter a collection title. This is the only required field. You may also enter a collection category and a description if you would like. You can create units within the collection to further organize your resources if desired. Finally, click the purple Save button to create your collection. After creating your collection, you'll have the option to add content, edit unit, add a new unit to the collection, and edit the collection. Click Add Content to curate learning resources for your collection. You'll have the option to search existing learning resources, import shared resources from another Alex educator, or create new learning resources. To add existing Alex learning resources to your collection, type a search term and press Enter. The search results will display lesson plans, mini lessons, and resources that include the search term. Click on the check boxes to add learning resources to your collection. After selecting the learning resources, click on the purple Add Selected Items button. Please note, only vetted lessons and resources will appear in the search results. After adding your selected items, click the blue Done button. After creating your collection, you can click on the Kebab menu for additional options. You can export content from a collection to a learning management system. You can add the collection to My Favorite Collection. You can share the collection with other users. Click on the purple Share with a New User button to share the collection with another Alex educator via email. Click on the green Show Subscription Code button to share the collection with another Alex educator via a subscription code. You can remove the collection from your My Content Collections tab, and you can remove the edit lock for the collection to allow assigned editors to edit the collection. You can also subscribe to another Alex educator's content collection by clicking the Subscribe to a Content Collection button on the My Content Collection tab. Please note, user content collections may contain resources and third-party content that has not been vetted by the Alex team. Enter the subscription code provided by another Alex educator to add their content collection to your My Content Collections tab. That wraps up our introduction on creating a content collection on the Alex LOR. If you have any questions or need assistance using the Alex website, please reach out to the Alex team, and we'd be glad to help.